In this video, we want to solve this problem, finding last two digits of this number with using Euler's totient function. If you had any question about the solution, feel free to send message to my WhatsApp number in the description and comments. Also, if you want to see other Stanford, Harvard, MIT problems and Olympiad problems, click on see that playlist on top of my video, and you can use that to improve your problem solving. And please subscribe my YouTube channel and turn on notification, like my videos to have next videos. Okay, so let's solve this problem. We want to solve it. When we want to find last two digits, we should find it the remainder. You should know congruency for this problem. If you learn that in congruency and divisibility, if you learn these two tools, from qualifying level up to IMO, you can solve many problems. Mod 100, the remainder when divided by 100 is the last two digits of this number. So when we have mod 100, instead of that, you can find the remainder when divided by 4 and 25, similar to Chinese remainder theorem. So mod for this number is easy. If I call this number A, 2022 to the power of 2022 to the power of 2022. So A mod 4 is 0 because it's an even number to the power of a large number. Mod 4 is 0. So the only thing we should do, mod 25. Let me tell you Euler's totient function is what? It says if A and N there are coprime numbers, A to the power of phi of N, totient function, is congruent to 1 mod N. So if you don't know, phi N is what? Phi N is the number of, from 1 to N, the number of, for example, numbers that are coprime with N. And the formula for that here, I want to find mod 25. The formula of that for 25 is 25 times 1 minus 4 over 5. If you don't know this and if you had question about this, there are some important formulas for finding remainders around 4 or 5. If you want to learn them, as I said before, feel free to send message to my WhatsApp number in the description and comments. Okay, 25 times. If you use common denominator, it will be 5 minus 4, which is 1 over 5. 25 over 5 is 5. So we understand what 2022 to the power of 5 is, let's check, to the power of 5 is 1. Sorry. Here, let me correct it. It will be 1 minus 1 over 5. So it will be 5 minus 1. If we divide, it will be 5 times 4, 20. So we understand because 2022 is coprime with 25. So let's calculate this mod 25, 2022. If we calculated mod 25, it is 22 mod 25 or negative 3 mod 25. And we know what? By Euler's totient function, we know negative 3. We know that if we consider 2022, the power of 2022 to the power of 2022 is congruent to negative 3. And because it is an even number, you can ignore negative. So it will be this. Now, here, we should find the remainder of this number, the power. Mod 20, because we know negative 3 to the power of 20 is 1 mod 25. So each 20 negative 3's that multiply, it will be 1. So we should find the remainder of this number, mod 20. So 2020 to the power of 2020 mod 20. So if we want to find the remainder of this number, mod 20, you can say it is equal to what? 2 to the power of 20, 20. And if we want to find this number, again, we change 20 to 4 and 5. So we know this number, mod 4 is 0. So we need to only find mod 5. 2 to the power of 2020 mod 5. We know what? We know 2 to the power of 4 is 16 and is 1. So you can say 2 to the power of 4 times something times what? 5 times 4 is 0, and 5 times 2 squared is left. So 2 to the 4 is 1. So it will be 4. Mod 5 is 4. Now, because we want to find mod 20 is what? The idea. It has two solutions. I will tell you one of them. You add one of them, for example, 4. Does it satisfy? The next one, if it doesn't satisfy you, 5 plus 4, 9. But as you can see, 4 satisfy this and also satisfy this, so it will be 4. Now we understand what this number is equal to. Negative 3. This one is 20q plus, and negative 3 to the power of 20 is 1. So it will be negative 3 to the power of 4. And it will be what? It will be 81. So 81 mod 25 is what? Because we are considering mod 25. 81 mod 25 is 6. 25. Now, we found that the first number, we said a mod 4 is 0. A mod 25 is 6. Now we consider some numbers. This plus 25 is what? It's congruent to 31. 31, this mod 4 is not 0, this mod 4 is not 0. This plus 25 is what? Is 6, 5. 56 mod 4 is 0, so it's satisfied. Again, we've used the same idea, like Chinese remainder theorem. So A mod 100 is 56. So the answer of this problem, last two digit, is 56. If you had any question about this solution, as I said before, feel free to send message to my WhatsApp number in the description and comments. And please subscribe my YouTube channel now and turn on notification to have next videos, unlike my videos.